IKEA studio apartment ideas, maximizing space with style. Living in a studio apartment can be both a blessing and a challenge. With limited square footage, it's essential to make the most of every inch while still creating a comfortable and stylish living environment. IKEA, known for its innovative and functional furniture solutions, offers a plethora of options that can help transform a compact studio into a cozy and efficient home. In this essay, we will explore various IKEA studio apartment ideas that maximize space, enhance functionality, and reflect personal style. Embrace multifunctional furniture. One of the most effective strategies for optimizing a studio apartment is to invest in multifunctional furniture. IKEA excels in this area, providing a range of products designed to serve multiple purposes. For instance, the Fairlove sofa bed is not only a stylish seating option, but also easily converts into a comfortable bed for guests. This dual functionality is crucial in a studio where space is at a premium. Another excellent example is the Lova table, which can be used as a dining table, a workspace, or even a coffee table. When not in use, it can be folded away or pushed against a wall, freeing up valuable floor space. By choosing furniture that serves more than one purpose, you can create a more open and airy feel in your studio apartment. Create zones with smart layouts. In a studio apartment, creating distinct zones for sleeping, working, and relaxing is essential for maintaining a sense of order and functionality. IKEA's modular furniture allows for flexible layouts that can adapt to your needs. For example, using a Kallax shelving unit can help define different areas within the studio. Placing the Kallax unit between the sleeping area and the living space can act as a room divider while providing additional storage for books, decor, and personal items. Additionally, consider using rugs to delineate different zones. A cozy area rug under the sofa can create a comfortable living space, while a different rug near the bed can define the sleeping area. This visual separation helps to make the studio feel more organized and intentional. Optimize vertical space. When floor space is limited, it's crucial to think vertically. IKEA offers a variety of shelving units and wall-mounted storage solutions that can help you take advantage of the vertical space in your studio apartment. The Billy bookcase, for example, can be used to display books, plants, and decorative items while also providing essential storage. Wall-mounted shelves, such as the Lack wall shelf, can be installed above furniture to keep items off the floor and create a more open atmosphere. This not only maximizes storage, but also adds visual interest to the walls. By utilizing vertical space, you can keep your studio organized and clutter-free. Incorporate smart storage solutions. Storage is often a significant concern in studio apartments, but IKEA has a wealth of solutions to help you stay organized. The Melm series offers a range of dressers and storage beds that provide ample space for clothing and personal items without taking up too much room. A storage bed, such as the Malm bed frame with drawers, can help you make the most of the space under your mattress, keeping your belongings neatly tucked away. Additionally, consider using decorative baskets and bins to store items on shelves or under tables. The Scub storage boxes are perfect for organizing smaller items and can easily be tucked away in closets or under beds. By incorporating smart storage solutions, you can keep your studio tidy and functional. Personalize your space. While functionality is key in a studio apartment, it's equally important to infuse your personal style into the space. IKEA offers a wide range of decor items, textiles, and accessories that can help you create a home that reflects your personality. Consider adding colorful throw pillows, artwork, or plants to bring life to your studio. The Rainarp series features beautiful lighting options that can enhance the ambiance of your space. A stylish floor lamp or pendant light can serve as a statement piece while providing essential lighting for your living area. Personal touches, such as family photos or travel souvenirs, can also make your studio feel more inviting and uniquely yours. Conclusion: living in a studio apartment doesn't mean sacrificing style or comfort. With the right approach and the help of IKEA's versatile furniture and storage solutions, you can create a functional and aesthetically pleasing living space. By embracing multifunctional furniture, creating distinct zones, optimizing vertical space, incorporating smart storage solutions, and personalizing your decor, you can transform your studio apartment into a cozy haven that meets all your needs. Whether you're a student, a young professional, or someone looking to downsize, these IKEA studio apartment ideas can help you make the most of your living space while showcasing your unique style.